these are poultry pre-starter pellets. It's Brett over there at the X20 from CME in Australia. Wes. And see here. Oh, there you go, Wes. Let's have a look at those. 2mm green pellets. They actually started out orange, but they weren't quite dark enough, so we threw some chlorophyll in there to colour them up. So you can see, well, there's green coming out there now, but first pellets to come off are orange. I guess we can see what the chooks like best. The idea of this is that it carries some moisture. It's about 25% moisture, so the birds have got a little bit of moisture with the food to sustain them for a couple of days.